I have to get rid of these because they are not allowed in Perth, even though it's a local flight. You still cannot take any fruit. I think that's it. Hope I don't get.
I hope Allah sangi banana lam.
No, I didn't take bananas. I left them at the hotel because I need they get softy. I get softy.
Sophie.
Yeah. So sad to see my fruits gone with so many hungry children in Africa. Back in Perth International Airport, we just flew 5 hours. Went to bed at 2. Had to be up at a very ungodly hour, especially for people who do the job we did. Yeah, and I forgot my battery, so this one is dying, which means no more videos. Unless I can organize someone to bring a charger and a battery for me from Sydney to Perth.
I'm sitting outside looking in.
Guys, last show. Alfred, what do you have to say? Are you happy? Are you sad?
I'm happy. They're all here to see us.
All 3 of them. It's full. It's a full house.
Of them.
It's a full house. How are you feeling?
I'm not in the mood.
Not in the mood to be in the mood?
Everything.
Everything. Say hi.
Now.
Some people. Oh, John's twin sister.
Okay, let's rock and roll. Let's have a good time. Are you guys ready for your first dance? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, all the way from South Africa, Mr. Mark Banks!
Thank you, good night, thank you. Here I am, I'm the white token of the show. Good evening. Oh, thank you very much. What a great joy it is to be here in Perth, the very first time ever in my life, ever. And this, funny enough, is my very, very last performance ever that I will be doing for today. In Perth. We've just come back from... And now, thank you very much, my name is Bob Banks, and thank you very much.
That's awkward now because I'm staring. Are you guys having fun? Oh, you don't know what's coming. You know, I'm so happy for you. You're going to have a great time. Now, what I want you guys to do is give us another huge round of applause. The only lady on the lineup all the way from South Africa. Give us a huge round of applause. For Thenjiwe Unplugged.
Wow, so nice to be here. My first time here, my very first time. Never seen so many white people in my face. Wow, I'm really loving this city, and I thought before I go to the show, let me go around, experience some of the culture. And I must say, this afternoon I had a really nice Indian curry. And I know that I was introduced by my first name, but I'm not stupid. I know where I am, and I know you guys have already forgotten my name. So for the duration of the festival, my name is Mandela. Because that's one African name that you guys do not mess with. Thank you very much. My name is Mandela.
Hello, I'm back. You are definitely Australian, eh? How dare you? I'm not a piece of meat. If you want to sleep with a married woman, your wife, your own wife, you have to fix something at the house that she didn't ask you to fix. Fucking fix that garage like she'll fuck you off the ladder. I've been breaking shit around the house for weeks, man. I don't fuck around, it's DIY all the time. Don't break shit you can't fix.
There's a lot of hipsters out there. There's this new phenomenon called hipsters. I don't understand the logic of being a hipster. A hipster is someone that wears old clothes and thinks they're cool for wearing something that doesn't fit them. I'm like, I don't understand. There are hipsters everywhere in Sydney. Everywhere. Old people are scared of fucking hipsters because they steal their clothes. Just scared. Old people cross the road when a hipster comes along. They just, ah! This woman was like, that's my Chinese cardigan. Then the one girl said, when you die, that one is mine, dibs. I was like, how evil are you? Stealing old people's clothes. We have a Zulu word for hipster. It's loosely translated irresponsible. Eating smashed ever and dirty techies all the time. You guys have been great. You guys have been lovely. Thank you for welcoming us, and thank you for having us over in Perth. Good night and goodbye.
They're leaving, they didn't pay. Ladies and gentlemen, did you guys have a good time? Fantastic, that was the South African Comedy All-Stars. And first up, give us a huge round of applause and welcome them back to say goodbye, Bob Banks! Then we have Thenjiwe Unplugged! And last but not least, Eugene Koza! My name is 𝙁𝙗𝙧 and thank you for coming, you guys have been amazing!
Cheers guys to a good show in Perth. How can I claim asylum here and not leave?
Sorry?
I don't want to go back.
Find another white guy and marry him.
That's what I said.
Preferably in Perth, they're a little bit older.
Yeah,
So
that's good.
older.
Quick inheritance.
Someone with land already, because land is a fucking difficult thing to get here in this country.
Yeah, land is expensive here.
Apartments in Perth, they do apartments, not houses.
Oh, the apartments are expensive.
Yeah, the closer you are to the city,
Oh, the more expensive it is.
the more.
Yeah, everywhere's expensive.
Or if you're closer to the ocean.
Yeah.
But is it as bad as Sydney?
Oh, no, Sydney's just like overpopulated.
Yeah,
The air smells different.